of the mortal remains of our departed leader. Thousands of mourners, members of the public, the rank and file, supporters and fellow citizens of our fallen leader were able to pay respects to the body of our leader. We are very pleased as a committee that exercise, which just ended a few minutes to 5 p.m., has continued and ended peacefully, solemnly, and in utmost dignity, notwithstanding that there were thousands of people who patiently queued, waited, performed their respects, and left the stadium. We don't take it for granted. The National State Funeral Committee, therefore, announces that the second day of mourning has been a success and pleads with mourners to continue with the same spirit as the nation enters into the 3 days of mourning tomorrow. Allow me I've just remembered I should have also appreciated the presence of the Vice President of South Sudan at the stadium, Excellency Rebecca Garang. I think I had mentioned during the event in the day. So we are happy the second day has come to an end. We are praying and pleading that tomorrow, the third day, will even be better. We will dignify our leader. We will respect our leader. We will mourn in dignity. It is heavy, but we must do everything to protect the image of our fallen leader and the image of Kenya, because Raila Odinga was a global leader.